zoomed in. So I'm going to top up this coolant, radiant coolant, for especially this is for Ford cars. You cannot put ordinary coolant because it's pressure. So this is the coolant chamber where you need to put. There's a lever which will show the gauge. Here you can see maximum and minimum. It's below than minimum, so I will top up this one with the sealed concentrated yellow antifreeze coolant. So that's the big part. You need to break the seal. Okay, see this one, it will click here and it will break the seal. After breaking the seal, open the cap. Okay, so again you can see this one from here. This is the minimum level. Okay, this is minimum level and this is maximum level. So you need to top up to the maximum level. So open the seal. After opening the seal, to the required level. The best recommendation is that you drain all the coolant before adding new one, because it will remove all the sludge and residues. So better to put. Now we will check the level now. As you can see, it's up to here maximum. So make sure you do not exceed above the maximum level, because it need to create pressure. So add it little bit, close the tab. Okay, little bit close the tab, and then you need to start the engine. Remove the air. I will start the engine. As you can see, it will remove the air and then we will close the tab. Make sure you close the tab carefully, because it creates high pressure. So that's how you can top up your coolant in the radiator chamber. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.